Move off and stop, uphill. Let's prepare the car. With the left foot, push the left pedal, that's the clutch, down to the floor. Select first gear, bring your clutch pedal up to the bite. With the right foot, press down 3 to 4 millimeters on the right pedal, the accelerator. This will strengthen our vehicle for going uphill. Can you see the left counter on the dashboard in front of you? This is your rev counter. See how the needle is increasing when you press down on the accelerator. Remember, when going uphill, the car is heavier, so we make the engine stronger. It kind of evens out gravity. The car will sound louder, but that is normal. We need to do our full 6-point safety check. Left blind spot, left mirror, road ahead, interior mirror, right blind spot. Now indicate right. It's safe to go, handbrake off. We'll be steering to 2 o'clock and then back to 10 o'clock and then 12 o'clock once we're parallel. Make sure that we've gained the correct windscreen reference point. From half windscreen to left quarter windscreen. With the right foot, press down 3 to 4 millimeters on the accelerator pedal as your left foot very gently releases the clutch pedal. Once our vehicle has reached 4 to 5 miles per hour, release the clutch pedal fully. Looking ahead, we have to find a safe, convenient and legal place to park our car. Check the interior mirror to see if we have any vehicles behind us. Now check the left mirror to make sure nobody is passing our vehicle on our left. Now indicate left. When parking, we steer to 10 o'clock and then back to 2 o'clock. From left quarter windscreen, back to half windscreen. Once parallel, steer back to 12. Because we're going uphill, we cover the brake with our right foot and we put the clutch pedal fully down. Gravity is going to start slowing the car down, then roll to a stop. Once the car has stopped, it's very important that we apply the brake. This is to stop the vehicle rolling backwards down the hill. Apply your handbrake and we can release the brake pedal. Move your gear stick back to neutral and you can release the clutch pedal. Indicator off. Your vehicle is now parked, engine off.